The last 11 years turned technology as the engine of India growth story. And that's there for anyone to see with evidence. Also, the last 10 years turned India into a technology leader rather than a technology follower. And thirdly, the last 10 years also saw India coming out with global best practices for others to follow, instead of waiting to adopt the best practices developed by others. So I think these three sentences sum up about all. And this has been possible largely because after 2014 we had a political dispensation which was very enabling, which was very supportive. And I think what the scientist needs the most is the liberty to experiment, even sometimes at the risk of not being as successful as envisaged. And that was allowed to us by the Honorable Prime Minister, whether it was in the case of going out for private participation, even in departments like space and nuclear sector, or going out of way to involve even foreign collaborations and FDIs. Because we never lacked talent, we never lacked the potential, but perhaps what was lacking was a political dispensation and a supportive approach which happens from the level of the policymakers, and B, that we had refrained ourselves from following the global strategies which drove us into working in silos, unlike what is seen or witnessed in the other countries where there's no demarcation between the private and the public sector.